Hi, everyone. Good morning and good afternoon to APJ. We are at a very interesting phase on this session, which is a fireside chat, and the subject is winning as a team. I'm very excited to welcome our esteemed guests, Shikha Khandelwal, who is head of data warehousing and business intelligence at Hero FinCorp, which is a leading NBFC based in India, and Bizmetric, our partners. Ishan Kohli is representing, he's the co-founder and India head for Bizmetric. And welcome to you, Shikha. Welcome to you, Ishan. And really wonderful to have you here talking to our entire APJ partners here on the APJ Partner Kickoff.
Thanks, Harpreet.
Thanks,
So,
Harpreet.
without further ado, let's get into quickly the questions I have for you. So, first question is to you, Shikha. Please tell us about Hero FinCorp and your business priorities. I know you migrated, some time back onto the Databricks platform. What were the key business challenges you faced before migrating to Databricks, and how did the partnership with Databricks and Bizmetric address these challenges?
Sure, Harpreet. So, Hero FinCorp is a leading NBFC under Hero Group and has been committed to empowering individual and business across India through innovative financing solutions. So, we have a diverse product portfolio spanning two-wheelers financing, SME lending, and corporate loans. So, here we are. And when you say about the challenges we were facing before migrating Databricks, there were lots of challenges. And this is purely because of the legacy system complexity what we had. Our existing system was becoming very expensive to maintain and lacked the scalability required to support our growing business need. Data and compute were tightly coupled, so giving hell lot of performance issue. Even it was limiting the innovations. So our legacy system was a data warehouse. It support only the structured data, and it also lacked the support for advanced analytics. So the collaboration with Databricks and Bizmetrics has been transforming in addressing these challenges. So one of the unique feature of Databricks was unified data platform. So migration Databricks Lakehouse platform enabled us to consolidate disparate data source into single and scalable architecture. So that was one of the biggest capability you can say, which we have achieved by collaborating with Databricks. Innovative through analytics. So access to cutting edge tools, which was possible with ML Ops, which is available in Databricks. Also, the performance issues which we were facing was replaced with separate cluster for each team and improve their productivity of business. So this is you can say the challenges we face, and this migration has really helped us to mitigate all the issues before migration.
Wonderful. And I'm very happy that the power of three has been, has come to the forefront today.
Yeah.
You are happy with what you are getting out of the Databricks platform. Wonderful. So
Definitely.
my next question, Nishan, is to you. How did your organization's expertise complement Databricks technology to help Hero FinCorp achieve their migration goals? And what specific value did you bring to the partnership?
Thanks, Harpreet, for asking the question. So we as Bizmetric always drive value proposition to our customer, correct, with our accelerated and optimized approach. So at Hero FinCorp, Bizmetric had a clear goal that we want to migrate them from Redshift to Databricks platform, which can give them a better scalability, performance, and cost optimization. Correct. The journey have its own challenges, as Shika just talked about it. That one of the major hurdle was that the migration was complex. We have a high volume of workloads, and we have to ensure that we will have a minimum disruption when we are doing for the business operation while migrating the tech stack. Correct. So to tackle this, we have done a phase-wise approach where we have used the database accelerators and best practices to mitigate the data ingestion, transformation, and governance part of it. And the database account team has provided a hands-on support to us while providing us a technical guidance or helping us to validate the solution before we go full-fledged in our full implementation. So the key differentiator, I think, is the collaboration effort that all the three parties have did. Hero FinCorp, Bizmetric, and Databricks together. Our expertise of financial services, data modeling, and analytics definitely provided that extra edge from our side to the solution. But definitely the Databricks advanced tools like Unity Catalog or Unified Platform played a pivotal role for simplifying and accelerating the transformation. I think the seamless integration with all the three parties have created a frictionless migration and unlocked the real-time insights and improve the governance and significant cost saving for Hero FinCorp. We truly believe that Databricks technology backbone, or I'll say the strong technology background, and we will able to hold the business goals more focusedly with Shikha on from the Hero FinCorp chat. I actually create the success for this use case
Yes.
that we are talking about.
Thank you,
So our
Ishan.
challenges was less, but the capabilities what we have achieved by migrating to Databricks is huge. So
Wonderful.
we can say that. Yeah.
Happy customer is gives us more confidence to do more for our customers. So thank
Yeah.
you for that, Ishan. Okay, my next question is to you, Shikha. You would have undertaken many transformation projects across your career. So when you choose an SI or a deployment partner, what criteria do you apply for partner selection? Because a lot of our partners on this call today would like to understand it from the customer side. What criteria do you have in mind when you select a partner?
Thanks, Harpreet. So see this Databricks migration, what we have planned, or I think that we have done a very extensive evaluation of vendors because this was a huge complex project. And even this was a dream project for me to make it a success. So selecting a SI partner is a crucial for making this a success. So there were few criteria which I have chosen that the partner should be having the expertise in the domain on which we are currently now. So experience and expertise are very critical for me when I'm choosing a SI partner. The compatibility and understanding with existing system. So unless the partner understands the existing system, they won't be able to help me in full strength to migrate to Databricks. It was a remodeling also. It was not a lift and shift project. So we have done the remodeling of the existing architecture to the new Databricks. So understanding of existing system was very critical. Team expertise and alignment. So I have thoroughly evaluated the team expertise before signing off any partner and in industry specific expertise. That was the key thing. So experience, when I say experience and expertise, so I have done thorough analysis or evaluation with Ishan, where I've asked multiple case studies and his experience working with leading BFSI and BFCs, what all experience he has. And above criteria, whatever I mentioned, the Bizmetric team's agility, flexibility, and alignment to HFCL priorities, their experience, their expertise in domain, and their status in OEM program that has given me confidence to finalize them as a SI partner for me. And this was, you can say, one of the good decisions I have taken because we have completed this migration on time and with flying colors.
Wonderful.
So
Thank you
thanks,
so much.
Ishan. Yeah. And thanks,
Thanks,
Bizmetric
Shikha.
team. Yeah.
All right. So now my next question is, to you, Ishan. See, when you do a complex migration, there are a lot of cultural and operational changes that may be required, right? So in this case, could you describe the cultural or operational changes that were necessary for Hero FinCorp to fully leverage Databricks and how your team facilitated these changes?
Sure. Thanks, Arpit, and thanks, Shika, for choosing us and giving us the option to be a part of your success journey and the migration journey. So definitely, Harpreet, what I feel that whenever you change a platform like Databricks, it is not a technology shift. I think it's more than that. It's a mindset shift as well, because you are coming out from the legacy systems and you are trying to adopt to a system which is more advanced AI analytics driven platforms, correct? So definitely you have to take care of multiple perspectives while when you're creating a plan or a migration strategy, correct? I think the one of the pieces that I choose is the first is that early engagement and alignment of the within both the team or both the parties, correct? And I feel that be able to make it that could connect between Hero FinCorp, Databricks, and Bizmetric together. So we have a clear roadmap, expectation, and success metrics created at all the stakeholders level at the same at the right time at the starting of the project. I think the second piece, which I believe that it's effective communication and governance is the most important to make any project successful or any type of migration successful, correct? So we establish the right structure, escalation metrics. We have a well-defined governance body. Governance model has been stabilized. We have the action plans. We able to do a good address road blockers on a timely basis. We have a right assessment of the milestone and a risk has done and long-term strategy that if we fail that what is the mitigation plan to it, correct? So that was very important. Third piece, that empowering the team through the knowledge sharing, because when any new customer is opting for the technologies like Databricks, they will also need a KTs. They need the training sessions, or I'll say the knowledge transfer from the service companies like us, the SI partners like us, who are very closely working with the Databricks technologies, right? So able to conduct KT sessions, given a hands-on training, even workshops with them, and help them to use Databricks in a more optimized way, so their real-time analytics, cost efficiency, and performance intact in their long-term solutions. And I believe the last one, but not the least, that after you go live, the your post go live support or operational readiness, how it works, correct? So we have done a transition. We did a transition of mindset shift for the customer, moving them from the legacy system to a more calibrated or data driven approach. So our team has handled them for post implementations. Either it's an need. So with teams, we integrate the database seamlessly into their daily workshops. Uh, Ultimate success is driven by the proactive engagement, strong governance, and a focus on the enablement by ensuring the transparency, accessibility, and structure support. I hope Hero FinCorp is can unlock all the great power of Databricks as a platform and grow on their data journey from here. So
And
that's I think we have done that.
And I believe the executive sponsorship from all three parties is very important, right? Like Shikha
Yes,
being the executive sponsor for this project, yourself getting engaged, our teams, our account teams, getting engaged. I think that
yes,
that makes it really, kind of
correct.
seamless for uh, the people on ground to kind of,
Yeah.
you know, take this project forward. All right. So thanks, Ishan. Shikha, moving to you. Last question for you. Looking forward, I know you have adopted Databricks platform, but looking forward, what future initiatives or projects do you envision leveraging the strengths of the platform and partnership? And how do you see Databricks and Bizmetric continuing to support your strategic goals?
Thanks, Harpreet, for the question. The successful implementation and migration on Databricks, this achievement has opened doors for lots of new opportunity. And thanks to my Databricks team, the account manager Ankur Golla and solution architect Saroj Venkatesh, who keep us updated with every new release and handhold us for trying out new capabilities and providing demo and walkthrough to skill my team. Looking ahead, HFCL envision several strategic initiatives and projects to drive innovations like expansion of AI-driven analytics, predictive and real-time decision making, personalized customer engagement, enhanced data governance and compliance. So we are highly RBI regulated company. Data governance and compliance are the foremost important thing which we take care. Cost optimization to scalable architecture and development of custom AI model and agentic model. Role of Databricks and Bizmetrics is crucial in supporting my strategic goal. The expert guidance, collaboration ecosystem, training and upscaling team, and AI model marketplace expansion. So Databricks Marketplace could evolve into a more comprehensive hub for AI model and solutions. And also I request for strengthening the partner ecosystem collaboration. Thank you.
Sure. And thank you for challenging us, Shikha. So now, Ishan, my final question to you. What are you excited about Databricks from an upcoming innovation perspective, and what do you look forward to in this partnership?
So at the Databricks pace of innovation is truly exciting. Correct? There are several key advancements that stand out. Right? The recent SAP partnership is a major breakthrough, which I believe that enabling the seamless data integration and unlocking the new opportunities on the enterprise data. Additionally, the Blade Bridge acquisition, I think, strengthened the migration capabilities. You can easily migrate from the legacy systems to a Databricks with a short span of time. I think those are the those are good news to understand, and that increase the scalability motion. Beyond that, I think database collaboration with the governing importance of AI and real-time data streaming is one of the key areas which believe is a future, because every customer or every business want to drive their analytics using AI driven now. Correct. So these are some of the initiatives which I believe is going to give us a scale motion and going to run it. For customer success perspective, funding mechanism, as you just spoken about, that there are a lot of mechanism on the funding from the hyperscaler as well as the accelerated, and we are already enabled for most of them. So thanks for that, and for enabling us and giving us the opportunity to grow further into that area. I think the next 5 years, which I feel it's a more pivotal role that database is going to play because of the technology head that that they have, and they want to sharpen their enterprise AI story and real-time analytics story. And I truly believe that Databricks is well positioned to lead the transformation for the industry. And the way you guys are doing innovation, and we always be very happy to be a part of that innovation growth for the next 5 or 10 years with Databricks. Is the energy that we all believe into and want to work towards.
Thanks, Ishan. Well, you talked about innovation. Shikha talked about new use cases. How can innovation solve? I think it's a meeting of minds. It's a winning combination where our partner ecosystem, our customers, and we can actually help unlock that innovation for you. I think that will be a great winning story. Thank you so much, Shikha, for your time today. Really appreciate your words of wisdom and your challenge as well. Thank you, Ishan, for being part of this fireside chat. And thank you, APJ.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.